How does the human brain work? The human brain is one of the most vital and complex organs in the body. Although it weighs only about 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms, it controls every function of our body. Without the brain, we cannot think, walk, speak, or use our senses. It not only regulates our bodily actions but also manages our emotions, memory, intelligence, and decision-making abilities. Structure of the brain. The brain is mainly divided into three parts. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two halves, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. The cerebrum is responsible for thinking, memory, language, imagination, and reasoning. The left hemisphere usually handles logical tasks like math and language, while the right hemisphere is more involved in creativity and intuition. Cerebellum. Located at the back of the brain, the cerebellum controls balance, coordination, and muscle movement. It ensures that our body moves smoothly and maintains posture. Brainstem. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls many automatic functions like heartbeat, breathing, sleep, and digestion. Without the brainstem, these essential processes would stop. How does the brain work? The brain is made up of billions of nerve cells called neurons. These neurons communicate with each other by sending electrical and chemical signals. Through this network, the brain receives information, processes it, and sends responses to various parts of the body. For example, if you touch a hot object, sensory nerves send a signal to the brain. The brain immediately processes the information and sends a signal back to your hand to pull away. All this happens in milliseconds. The brain and the five senses. Our five senses, sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, are directly connected to the brain. These senses collect data from the environment and send it to the brain for interpretation. Take an example. When you see a flower, your eyes detect the shape and color, and your nose picks up the fragrance. These details are sent to the brain, which puts the information together and identifies it as a rose. The brain allows us to understand and respond to the world using sensory data. Memory in the brain. The brain stores different types of memories, short-term and long-term. Short-term memory stores temporary information, like a phone number, while long-term memory stores important details for years, like your birthday or a family member's name. The hippocampus, a part of the brain, plays a key role in forming and storing memories. The more we repeat or focus on a thought, the stronger the memory becomes. Emotions, sleep, and the brain. The brain regulates emotions such as happiness, anger, fear, and sadness. The amygdala is the part of the brain involved in emotional responses. It works with the hippocampus to link emotions to memories. Sleep is not just a rest period for the brain, it plays an essential role in brain health. During sleep, the brain organizes and stores the day's experiences and helps clear out unnecessary information. Deep sleep improves concentration, decision-making, and emotional stability. Tips for a healthy brain. To keep your brain active and healthy, follow these tips. Eat nutritious food, include brain-friendly foods like fish, rich in omega-3, leafy greens, nuts, and fruits. Exercise regularly, physical activity improves blood flow to the brain. Get enough sleep, sleep 6 to 8 hours a night to let the brain rest and recover. Learn new things, read books, play brain games, or try a new hobby to keep your brain sharp. Manage stress, practice meditation, listen to music, or spend time in nature to reduce stress. Conclusion. The human brain is a biological marvel, a supercomputer that runs everything in our lives. From physical actions to emotional reactions, from learning to memory storage, the brain is in control. Taking care of your brain through healthy habits can lead to a smarter, happier, and longer life.